Good afternoon. It is 3:35 p.m., April the 1st, 2019, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. As most of you know, Google Plus will be closing on April the 2nd. We don't know the exact hour, but it's scheduled to close sometime tomorrow. This video is being made simply to give everybody a place they can find to contact the user-to-user community. It has moved to Discord. There will be a link below in the description. You can comment on this video. You can ask questions on this video, although we would prefer you to join the Discord community where we've been newly rehomed, and join the community and ask over there. But basically, this will serve as a second contact point for the user-to-user live community. I'll probably be doing more recordings. Of course, Michael Daniels is continuing to do his recordings. We urge you to come over there if you haven't already, particularly those past members of the user-to-user community. You know what you're going to get into over there. You get a lot of help online. We have 2 live sessions, Monday through Friday, where you can ask your questions. It's a tech help chat community. We cover OBS, Discord. Michael's just started doing StreamYard. We do YouTube beta. Almost any tech things, we have a brain trust. If we don't know the answers, we know somebody who does. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you there.